Hello there, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And firstly, to turn off your watch, you will need to press and hold this side button, which is located on the right side of the watch, for about a couple of seconds till you see this power off menu. Now you need to click on this power off icon and your watch will turn off immediately. Or as another option, you can just unlock your watch, go in the settings here. Let's just scroll to see these settings. Here it is. So let's open it, and here we need to select general and then scroll till the end to see this shutdown option. And now you would also see this power off menu, so just click the power off icon, slide to power off, and now the watch just turned off. So how to turn them on? For that, we will need to just press and hold this set button again till you see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Great, and now we can release the button and simply wait a couple of seconds till the watch will turn on again. Great, now it's on again and we just need to wait a couple of seconds till it will connect to the phone once more. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.